system for single acting. This valve is open, this valve is closed, this valve is closed. The water is flowing in this pipe only. So this is a single stage centrifugal pump. So first of all, we can adjust the delivery pressure. So we can adjust the delivery pressure with this valve up to 0.5. चलिए और करिए बस थोड़ा कम. So we have adjusted the pressure at outlet, that is 0.5 kilogram per centimeter square. On this basis, here is the vacuum pressure, that is 0.2 mm of mercury. Vacuum pressure is 0.2 mm of mercury. So here we have to calculate the total pressure head. Now we have measuring the time taken for 10 impulses. $30.25. Now we have to measure the time taken for 10 centimeter height rise in the measuring tank. In series, we can close this valve, we can open this intermediate valve. Now in this case, the water is sucking from this pump and the outlet of this pump is the inlet of this pump. Because we have closed this valve, we have already closed this valve, intermediate valve is open. Now this system is work as a pump in series. So pump in series used for high head. Means if we can require the high head, we can use the multi-stage pump in series. So in this pump, we can work, we can adjust the pressure 0.5. Same the delivery pressure, that is 0.5 kilogram per centimeter square. Vacuum pressure, that is 0.3, ये 3 है, 3, that is 3, ये 25 था, जो 0.5, 0.2 में लिखा ना आपने, नहीं पहले वाले में, जिसका ये 3 है. Then this is the pressure 3 mm of mercury. Now we have to calculate the time taken for 10 impulses. $26.86. Now we have measured the time taken for 10 centimeter height rise. and this valve is closed. In this case, this pump suck the water from sump and this pump is also suck the water from pump. Then combine of this both pump discharges here, then we can find out the discharge. Now we can again adjust the delivery pressure. .5, that is 0.5 kilogram per centimeter square delivery pressure. And in the suction side, that is that is 30 mm of mercury, and this is also this is also 30, this is 50, this is 50, रेड वाले में दैट इज ब्लैक वाले में है, ये 50 है, 50 75 100, तो 50 है, 50 mm of mercury for gauge reading 2. Now again we have to calculate the time taken, measure the time taken for 10 impulses. .47. So these are the readings.
Centrifugal pump. Here the observation table consists of 4 columns. First one is a gauge pressure, second one is vacuum pressure, third one is time required for 10 impulse of energy meter T in seconds, and fourth one is time required for 10 centimeter height of water, that is small t in seconds. First one, in the first column, as we know that we have gone for the 3 readings. First one is single stage, second one and third one is belonging to the multiple stage, which subdivided into series and parallel connections. Initially we have gone for the series single stage centrifugal pump. For this, the gauge pressure reading we have kept at 0.5, and this is constant for all the 3 readings, that is 0.5. And here at the delivery pressure of 0.5 for single stage, the value of vacuum pressure will be 50, and for the series connection it is 75, and for the parallel connection, as we know that the parallel connection consists of 2 pumps, that is 30 and 50 mm of Hg. Now the time required for 10 impulse of energy meter, that is T in seconds. For a single stage the time is 30 seconds, for the series it is 26 seconds, and for parallel is 22.47 seconds. From this it is clear that the number of energy, the number of time required for 10 impulse is decreasing for the parallel connection. Then further, from moving further, time required for 10 centimeter rise of water, time is 12 seconds, 24 seconds and 12.29 seconds for the parallel connection. This is the observation table which we have to go through, and after this observation table, the calculation has done. From here, we get to know the value of the input power, shaft power, total head, discharge and brake power. You have to calculate 4 things. Initially you will go for the input power. The value of the input power is N into 3600 divided by T into K. Okay? And from here you will get the value of input power. Further we will go for the head, total head. The value of total head can be calculated by the formula H is equals to 10 into delivery pressure plus vacuum pressure divided by 738. Here it's 760, but you will go for the when you are going for the calculation, you have to take it 738. After that, you will from here you will get the value of total head is equals to 6.6775 meter. Then further you will go for the calculation of the discharge. Q is equals to, as we know that Q is AH by T. Area of tank is 30 into 30. From there where we will get the area is equal to 0.09 meter square, whereas H is 10 centimeter. From there you will get 0.1, and the time is for the first reading, the time is 12.08. From here you will get the value of discharge, that is 0.00745 meter cube per second. Further we will go for the shaft power, and then we will go for the brake power. Brake power is nothing, it is GQ into H. You will get the value from here, and then you will go for the efficiency. Efficiency is nothing, that is brake power divided by the shaft power. From there you will get the value 16.37%, and for the overall efficiency it is again brake power divided by input to motor. Here you will get the value of 13.09%. Similarly, you can go for the series connection and parallel connection. Thank you.